Hello, this is Lance Cleveland. Today I'm going to show you some new features coming out in Store Locator Plus over the next month or so. It'll be out by year end 2017. This is the button bar for category selections. It'll be available with Premier subscriptions from version 4.9 on, and in My Store Locator Plus in the December update of our platform. You will need to be on the enterprise level of service or higher to get this feature. This is the category button bar. As you can see here, I've got a map loaded up with locations in various categories that by default will show all the locations within the radius I selected in every category. The button bar will filter those categories. It keeps the radius and the center of the map the same, and it will automatically zoom to show all the locations that match. So as I pick each of these, it deselects any of the other categories that were selected and shows just those locations from that group. So that's how that works. It lets me easily filter out the locations and show, in this case, retail and service or retail only, and it will zoom in and out based on where the initial map was searched. And it will also update if people put in the address and zip code. So how do you get to that? That is part of the advanced options inside of the My Store Locator Plus platform. In Store Locator Plus, you're automatically in the advanced options layout. We don't have a simplified interface for that, so it's just under Store Locator Plus here. Go to the Settings tab, and if you already have your categories set up, you will see an option. You can check your categories under the Categories tab to see what you have available. You see an option here for Premier subscribers or enterprise level subscribers for My Store Locator Plus, where you'll be able to choose button bars, one of the category selector options. You choose that and save it. Now, the other thing you will need to make sure of is that your theme supports the button bar, or not your theme, but your plugin style supports button bar. Currently, the only plugin style that we have that has been tested is the new Bennett style. So you go to View under Settings, and you can pick one of the styles here, and Bennett actually has it built in. Some of the other ones will work, but we haven't fully tested it on every one yet. One way you can check is you want to look under Search. And in the search layout, you'll want to look for this specific entry. You want to see SLP search element drop down equals category, or drop down with label equals category. In the example I showed you, I don't want the label preceding the button bar because it takes the full width and it looks cleaner without a label, but you can also use this. And wherever you put this in your layout in the search form is where it will appear. In this case, you can see it's built at the top of the search form, and it's also built using standard 12-point grid system using Flexbox. Your web developers will typically know what this means, and so here I'm using styles that are similar to Vuetify, the Vue framework, and you can see here that it takes the full bar, and then we just put that here. So this is what's doing that button bar. So that's all you need to check for in a theme. A lot of themes will work out of the box. It really depends on how your WordPress theme is built, and also how the plugin style works with that theme, and you can move that around as you see fit using the layout controls. So that's coming in Store Locator Plus 4.9. It should be out very soon on WordPress and within 30 days of the WordPress release on My Store Locator Plus. If you have any questions, shoot us an email, get a hold of us on the contact form on the main Store Locator Plus website. Links at the bottom of the page, and you'll see it in various articles as well. As always, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting Store Locator Plus.